Hi guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this beautiful gunmetal chrome tip with water droplets. So I'm starting with one of my favorite base coats, a really beautiful jelly pink by Beetles, my absolute favorite black by Creations, and my absolute favorite top coat. I always mark the one that is chrome just to make sure that I don't get any flakes in my other ones. We're using Nailz Protein Bond and we are using some chromes found on Amazon. So I've already started off with 2 layers of the jelly pink. And I'm using my favorite brush by Nailz by Dev, the liner brush. And I always clean my brush with alcohol, not acetone, it keeps it nice. So we're gonna start off by drawing the French tip. I made sure to put a non-wipe top coat over the nail before starting my French tips. Or you can wait to do that until after you painted the black on. I know French tips can be a challenge, but using this long striping brush really helps. I always fill it in with a striping brush because I like to have a really clear coverage. It does take longer, but I do feel like it is worth it. Beautiful, love it. Put that in the lamp for 60 seconds. And just a little side-by-side comparison to make sure they're the same shape. So now, after I had started doing this, I realized you can just brush a full coat of your non-wipe top coat, specifically Coupa. It dries super hard and it's not sticky at all. But here, what I'm doing is I am doing it just on the tip because I have already put it below. So pink is already non-wipe. All right, we're gonna bake that for a whole minute. So the whole nail is non-wipe at this point, which is perfect. We're gonna take our lint-free cotton pad from OPI and a little bit of swipe from Young Nails. Make sure that's really rubbed in there because this is where the magic happens because of that swipe. After you put this over that non-wipe top coat, and you start to put the chrome into that, there's something that swipe does that makes the surface the perfect place for the chrome to settle how it's supposed to. Dust it off, and seriously, I've never had my chrome turn out like this. I always make sure that I go around the edge with my protein bond to make sure that my top coat is going to stay sealed. That is the key, and this is where you're going to paint the top coat specifically on the tip. Once you have that all painted, cure it for a full 60 seconds. And bring it back out of the lamp, and we are going to scrub the rest of that chrome off the pink. This is where all of that goes away and it's going to create that really crisp line. And water droplets, we're really just using the top coat and dotting it on there. And I just think this look turned out super cool. And that swipe trick over the non-wipe top coat really is what did it. And that's what made this chrome look like gunmetal. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more, leave me a comment and like and subscribe.